Maintaining an overview of all layover activities isn't easy, but extremely important, especially when aircraft operators collaborate with more than one MRO service provider. You know the situation. You quickly end up with hundreds of unread emails a day. Important information is received too late and scattered across various locations or disappears entirely. Keeping everyone up to date is almost impossible. Does that sound like the 21st century to you? Thanks to AirGlance, aircraft operators and MRO service providers can organize the reporting and the communication concerning aircraft maintenance activities efficiently, transparently, and fully digital. All crucial information about maintenance events is available in one place. Daily highlights, job card completion, materials utilized, and costs incurred. Spreadsheets are passé. Employees of both parties can easily monitor the layovers of all aircraft and therefore immediately identify critical delays. Best of all, everyone works in the same tool and receives update notifications on time. Potential project delays are displayed directly when they occur and can be tackled immediately. This leaves you with more time for planning and acting, thus helping you to avoid unnecessary downtimes. By the way, AirGlance is quick and easy to implement and works for any MRO service provider around the world. AirGlance is available for all devices and is part of Aviatar, the independent and open platform for the entire aviation industry. Curious to learn more about the platform? Visit airglance.com. All key information about aircraft base maintenance at a glance with AirGlance.